Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the link. You need the latest Google Photos and your phone's gallery app installed. Once done, sign in to the same Google account in both apps. Make sure to enable backup and sync in Google Photos and grant storage and photos permissions when prompted. This lets the apps read and transfer media. Next, open Gallery, locate the Share or Export option, and prepare the album you want synced. This initial alignment avoids duplicates later. Now you configure sync and choose what to push. Open Google Photos, go to Settings, tap Backup and Sync, then toggle it on. Once on, make sure the correct Google account is selected. In your Gallery app, select the album or photos you want to link, hit Share or Export, and pick Google Photos as the destination. Choose Upload Quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage Saver reduces size. Once done, monitor the upload status in Google Photos. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi on for large albums. Finish by verifying that your gallery items appear in Google Photos albums. Open the library and check the recent uploads. If some photos are missing, make sure Backup and Sync is active, that you're on the intended account, and that app permissions include storage and photos. If sync stalls, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or remove and re-add the account to force reauthorization. One key troubleshooting tip: if uploads repeatedly fail, switch to Wi-Fi and retry. Intermittent cellular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.